Olimpo is about the search for the common ground. I wanted to compare my real-life experiences with stories from ancient Greek myths. This is the key of Get Olimpo, being able to talk about everyday life through a mythological eye. I've always thought that diversity was an advantage and never a thing to be criticized and judged on. It's something that I embrace as a human being. My mother is from Sardinia and I've spent 4 months a year there since I was a child. Sardinia is a major part of my heritage and has inspired so many of my songs. To songs on my album, Rapide and Cobra, were actually written in Sardinia. They are songs that were born in a place that I consider home. I spent a lot of time growing up listening to Arabic songs by singers like Shirin with my father. It's a sound and style I'm very attached to, and it's just become a natural part of me and the way I write my music. I'm very proud to sing songs in Italian to a global audience. Traditional Italian music contains so many unique melodies and styles that I want the whole world to hear. I am mostly inspired by American rap and R&B music, and it has always been my ambition to create something that has a similar sound but remains truly Italian. And reading comments from non-Italian listeners on my videos makes me very happy. Creatively, the global pandemic was very limiting for me. I feel like I always need to travel and to meet new people and be inspired to write music. Returning to the stage will be a strange experience, but also a super positive one. I'm so excited to go back on stage and perform for my fans. One of the luckiest things about what I do is to create and connect with the people who follow me. I never want to stay the same. I always want to tell stories in different ways, but always with the same personality, and the more people that listen to my songs, the better. Instead of concentrating on my ambition and goals, I stay focused on what's happening now and how that affects my music. Of course, I'm interested in the path I'm taking, but my focus will always be on the songs and my way of telling things.